Moin Leute and yay! Hello friends of rail. Now back again on my short test track. Now why I make this video for you. This video is for my 819 subscribers. Thanks for subscribe my channel. Sorry. Now, here you see a very old Kato C44-Dash9. This is a special model. This is an older Kato. I buy it bought on eBay. This model is weathering by my friend Jim Rinker. You know the YouTuber name, Rail Fan Reading, and especially Delano custom weathering models. This model looks handsome. He put some detail parts on. You see it on the front. There, the MU hoses. You see the upper ditch light is an old Kato -9. And I put a little bit of sound on. This model is new on my BNSF fleet, and the sound is incredible. Start the sky up. You hear ESU, LokSound, the new file. Yeah! It's a great compressor. I like it. And now you wait and you hear the slow idle. You know I am the tsunami guy, but now the 7FDL-16 cylinders modern from ESU beats the tsunami. I love it. Now here's the horn. The compressor, and when the compressor ends, I turn the bell on. The slow idle, and now we go. Motherfucking handsome. Slow, smooth running Kato. Unbelievable. Jim do another fantastic resonant job on this old Kato C44-Dash9. Yeah! You know, I like Kato models, and I'm very impressed to buy this C44-Dash9 with a wrestling drop from Jim Rinker, brought on eBay. But not really brought, this model is unused. The formula's owner runs this model not. And now the next day I go to my friend SL on his layout, you know it from my channel, and I will drive this model maximum or minimum 1 hour. I really like this model. The looks is handsome, the sound is great. The new FDL-16Modern ESU LokSound sound file is so great. Unbelievable. Now it's out. You hear the horn? Fantastic. Start this guy up. Jim put some detail parts on. You see it. The MU hoses. Looks great and handsome. Okay, Jim, I buy this model on eBay, not from you, but you know I have an SD70 Mac with the same wrestling drop, and you know I like it. But I improve the SD70 Mac with the sound. And also on this have installed in Tsunami Sound. The Tsunami Sound was not the right sound, and I put on the ESU LokSound 44 with the right sound. Unbelievable model. Looks great, and it's very smooth like a Kato. And Jim to do a measuring drop, you see it on the grills in the back. And the air conditioner here. And a great smooth runner. The slow idle, I love it. Speeds of 1. A crawler. A Kato crawler. You know I love Kato models. So, now friends, thanks for looking my videos, thanks for subscribe my channel. You know I like and love our hobby, and you know I uploaded many videos. Stay tuned for more. Trust me, more stuff comes. That's it. My newest model in my BNSF fleet, the Kato C44-Dash9, resurrected by Jim Rinker, sound installed by me. That's it. Thanks for watching. And some.